Hey, did I just find a $20 bill? My name is CashflowMarco. I'm an artiste, a trader, a low-key philosopher, a full-time overthinker. But one thing I don't overthink anymore is building systems that actually work for my life. So boom, I started CashflowMarco TV because I got tired of people gatekeeping life-changing information like it was the Krabby Patty formula. I got tired of YouTube millionaires telling me to wake up at 4 a.m. and manifest a Lambo like I don't got bills, anxiety, and a creative spirit that refuses to sit still. This channel is for the overthinkers who want to laugh, level up, and still get their life together. I made this channel for people like me who are multi-talented, slightly dramatic, spiritual, and tired of being broke. Hey, did I just find a $20 bill? I'll take it. Any day. Here we talk about everything from how to trade like a bank, from how to film with the $20 TikTok mic, and how to stay grounded when it's Mercury retrograde and your ex is texting you back. CashflowMarco TV is for the dreamers who want receipts. If you want to elevate your money, your mental, and your mission, all while laughing through the chaos, hit subscribe. This is my diary, my blueprint, and my therapy session, all in one. Shouts out to OTH Ace for subscribing. Come grow with me. It might not be perfect, but it's real and probably hilarious. Alright, that was uncut, raw, like I just stepped on a $20 bill. Like, bruh, if I didn't take the initiative and just go make that last scene for the YouTube video, I would have never found that $20. That just go to show me, even if you don't want to do it anyway. If you see copper like pennies on the ground, pick them up and repeat this confirmation. I am so happy and grateful now that money flows through me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continual basis. 3 times in a row. Be grateful for that penny that you picked up off the ground, because picking up those pennies led to me running into that $20 bill. You hear me? Like I always say, I have a lot of value and a little time to share it.